Hello students, in this video we are going to study about newspaper report writing or the news headlines. Now the headline is the heading of any newspaper report, and the newspaper report or the headline should be attractive. Only when the headline is attractive, the readers will be attracted towards the news article. Otherwise they are not going to read it. Now the main target of a headline is to communicate the gist of the news. Now, gist means the summary. In short, we have to describe the summary, and that summary we have to do in a headline. Now, the news headline, to write a news headline, we have to use our artful skill. That means the headline should be attractive. It should be short and attractive so as to capture the attention of the readers. Now, only if your headline is attractive, the readers are going to read the passage or the entire news that is written below it. If the headline is not attractive, they are not going to show any interest towards the reading of the passage. Now, when we are writing a newspaper report, we have to keep certain procedures in our mind. These procedures are related to grammar and punctuation rules. Now, the action that has taken in the immediate past, I'm repeating, the action which has taken place in the immediate past. For such actions, we have to use simple present tense. Okay, if the action is happened in the past but then it has happened long time before, or maybe or 2 or 3 or 4 days before, or maybe 15 days before, or maybe a month before, or maybe 6 months before, a year before, 10 years before, for such actions we will be using past tense itself. Okay, but then the action that has happened in the immediate past within 24 hours, for such actions we will be using simple present tense. For example, I am giving an example here. RBI confirms economic activity upswing. Now, RBI has already confirmed it. Okay, and this maybe it has happened yesterday, and the news is there in the paper today. So the action has happened in the immediate past. So I am using the verb confirm in the simple present tense. I am not saying RBI confirmed. Okay, if I am using confirmed, that is I am making it past tense. Okay, so this is the first rule when we are making a newspaper report. Actions that has happened in the immediate past, we have to place the verb in the simple present tense. The second rule is use infinitive for future events, events that are going to happen in the near future. Instead of using the verb will be, try to use infinitive. For example, Modi to visit China for future talks. Now, Modi, our PM, Honorable PM, Modi will be going to China. This action is going to happen in future. Okay, but still I am using the infinitive verb to visit. I am not saying Modi will be visiting China in the near future. I am not saying that. Okay, why I am saying so? Because I want to make my sentences short, okay, and to the point. When we are preparing a newspaper report, our more attention should be towards giving correct information to the readers in less words. Okay, then next rule that we need to follow is we have to leave out the to be verb. Whenever we are framing sentences for newspaper report, we are not going to use the to be verb, like no terminal examination will be held for classes 1st to 5. Okay, now I am using the verb to be here, will be held. So instead of saying so, I should say no terminal examinations for classes 1 to 5. Okay, so I have left the to be verb. So in this way, what I am doing, I have shortened my sentence and at the same time I am giving complete and correct information to the readers. The next rule that we need to follow is we have to leave the articles. Now there are three types of articles: a, an, and the. We need to leave these articles. Now generally when we say the players interact with the slum children, so the correct formation is the players interacting with the slum children. But then when this sentence we are using in our newspaper report, or when we are using it in our newspaper report paragraph, we are going to say players interacted with slum children. So I am omitting the article the here. Okay. Then next is leave out to say in reported speech. Now I hope you all understand we have done reported speech. Reported speech means direct and indirect speech. The way of writing a sentence in direct speech is the sayer, and then we have to use a comma, and then we start using the inverted commas, and then the sentence said by the speaker, and the inverted commas are closed. So this is direct speech. But when we are using the same sentence for a newspaper report, we don't have to use the direct speech. So we say Modi. In direct speech we are going to say Modi declared Swachh Bharat Abhiyan is a step towards cleanliness. Okay, so how I am going to write it in direct speech: Modi declared. Declared is going to be my reported verb. Okay, after that I am going to put a comma. Then I am going to start my inverted commas, and my sentence will be Swachh Bharat Abhiyan is a step towards cleanliness. Full stop, and I close the inverted commas. But the same sentence, when I am writing in a newspaper report, it is going to be not in direct speech. Instead of comma and the inverted commas, I am going to use a colon. Okay, now how am I going to say it? Modi. Then I'll be putting a colon mark. I hope you understand a colon mark, 2 dots. Okay, and I will be saying Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, again a colon, a step towards cleanliness. Okay, then next is replace conjunction with a suitable punctuation. Okay, now robbery in bank, again I'll be using a colon, 2 arrested. Now instead of using a conjunction, there was a robbery in the bank and 2 persons are arrested. So here I am using a conjunction and. Okay, so instead of using a conjunction, I am going to use a punctuation mark, that is colon, robbery. After that I'll be putting a colon mark, 2 arrested. Then the last thing that we need to keep in mind is the capitalization of the letters. Always the first letter of the headline is going to be the capital. And when we are placing the headline, keep in your mind to write all the alphabets, first alphabets of the words capital. To write all the first alphabets of the words capital in a headline. Okay, and the last rule is we have to write the numbers not in words but in figures. Like 20 feared drowned. So 20 I'll be writing in numbers, 20, but not in words, TWENTY. Okay, so keep this in your mind. In reported speech, the figures are going to be in, the numbers are going to be in figures and not in words. So now a special tip for writing a newspaper report, you have to keep 4 things in your mind. First is, do not start with a verb. Your report should not start with a verb. Then never use the same words again and again in your paragraph. Do not repeat the words. Okay. Then do not end with a period. That means when that incident has taken place, with that your report should not end. It should be in the beginning. And then do not use unfamiliar abbreviations. Abbreviations means short forms. So if you are not familiar with the correct abbreviation, do not use it. So I hope you have understood the video carefully. Please read the listen to the video again and again. Write down the tips that I've given you in a notebook and go through it again and again. And in the next video, some exercises will be given that you will have to solve. And listen to the video, relate the video to the questions that are given and try to solve your exercise. I hope you are doing well, and I hope you are preparing for your exams. All the best, and take care.